Welcome back to Driving Secrets for 1000. Today, we have an insane train crossing near miss, completely ruined, brand new cars, and the worst lane hoggers on the road. Let's get into it. Starting off, watch this driver try to claim every single lane on the highway. Pick a lane and stay in it. This kind of indecision causes massive pileups. Imagine spending hours carefully detailing a car, making it look brand new, only for someone to do this immediately after. Absolutely heartbreaking. The flashing lights are on, the gates are down, but this driver thinks train crossings are just a suggestion. Risking your life just to save 2 minutes is the ultimate idiot move. Never mess with trains. Sometimes you can see the accident coming from a mile away, but there is absolutely nowhere to escape. A perfect example of why defensive driving and a good dashcam are your best friends. This driver is determined to pass, no matter the cost. Crossing solid lines and forcing others out of the way just shows a complete lack of patience and skill. Another day, another incredibly dangerous, illegal U-turn right into oncoming traffic. No blinker, no awareness. Well, that is a completely unexpected surprise. Right in the middle of the road. Always keep your eyes scanning far ahead for hazards like this. Here is a very rare situation. The driver with the dashcam actually asks if they are the idiot. In this scenario, watch how the interaction plays out. Sometimes the camera captures our own mistakes too. What do you guys think? Who is really at fault here? Let me know in the comments. Heavy trucks have massive blind spots. Watch this quick lane change nearly cause a disaster. Give them plenty of space, folks. Some people are in such a rush to cut ahead that they end up getting completely stuck. Honestly, it would have been faster to just walk. That train crossing clip was absolutely terrifying. Protect your vehicle from these crazy drivers by grabbing our top-rated 4000 dashcams linked in the description. Hit subscribe and stay safe out there.